Yo, what up? It's your boy Unicorn Rider from Trap House Detail, and we finished this M5. We're gonna show you the steps that I took to do the work on this car. We did a 2-step, and then we did IGL Kenzo, and man, we got a story to tell you about this hood. Anyways, you know what it is, Trap House Detail. I love y'all. All right, we gotta go. Bye. Yo, hello everybody. My name is Unicorn Rider from Trap House Detail, and I was supposed to film this video about, well, it's literally been a year since I've filmed this footage here, and honestly, I was just dreading making this video because of the length. I hate making long videos because I feel like I'm terrible at it. So we're gonna give it a try. So in this video, we're gonna be working on this M5. We're gonna be doing a 2-step correction. We did an interior detail, and then we did engine bay, and we also ceramic coated the car with IGL Kenzo, which is a 10-inch coating, 5-year, and infused with graphene. So we're gonna start with the interior. The interior, it doesn't look bad, but it is kind of bad. And I remember the owner telling me he kind of didn't want to do it, but after looking at the seats and looking at some of the leather, it just looked kind of gross. So we just wanted to go ahead and take care of that leather and make sure that we complete the whole package, because there's nothing worse than having a beautiful exterior, then opening the doors and your interior is jacked up. Like, it just such a buzzkill. So you're gonna see right here, look at all this crustiness. Oh my God. So let's keep watching the video. You're gonna see me use this brush and some bizzle to take care of the leather and the plastic trim. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this part of the interior detail. All right, so we're starting to tackle the carpet and the floor mats. I was using the Tornador earlier to blow out all the dust and debris out of the floor mats and the carpet. And now we're starting to treat it with Carpet Bomber and Terminator. Side note, if you're looking at that pump sprayer, it's the Max Shine brand. I don't like it. I hate it. Sometimes it doesn't work right. Today it was working right, but most of the times it doesn't work right. So we're gonna have to replace those pretty soon. But we're gonna start steaming the carpets. I also treated the carpets with the same solution, and his interior is really not bad. It wasn't bad at all. It was mainly just the leathers and the plastics, but his carpet's pretty clean. You can see not much dirt right there, and we just did this throughout the whole car, got it all cleaned, went back, treated the mats, and I think after this we moved on to the engine bay. So check it out, let me know what you guys think. Let's keep it going. before you guys go ham on me for using the Tornador in his engine bay, hear me out, okay? Listen to me. So I popped his hood. His engine was pretty much clean. Like it was not bad at all. It wasn't neglected. It wasn't dusty and crusty. A little bit dusty, but it wasn't crusty. You know, there wasn't oil and all this stuff, right? So in my mind, I was like, hey, let's use something with less water and let's clean up the plastics and let's just do it as safe as possible. So I said, hey, I'm gonna use the Tornador and clean it out, and I think it worked out. But if you guys don't agree with that, let me know. I'm interested to see what you guys have to say about that. I don't know why I'm laughing, but I'm interested. You know, I listen. I'm willing to listen to people and their ideas and their thoughts, and yeah, just leave them in the comments and let me know. Anyway, so we're gonna get started to wash this thing, and this is where I feel like my videos fail. So I'm gonna run you through this whole step, right? So we're doing the pre-soak, and then from the pre-soak, we're gonna rinse it down. And somehow when I'm recording this part of the video, I never get it right. I'll forget to record something or something will happen, and this is why I hate recording these parts of the video. But anyways, we're starting on the exterior pre-soak. We're gonna let all that 3D, I use 3D Super Soak to help with this process as it starts to break down all the old waxes and sealants, and I think it's really good at its job, and I like it. I like 3D Super Pre-Soak. All right, so let's keep it going. And that was Ricardo from GTR High Performance. He was helping me bring in the M5 into my shop section where I do all my work. But this is what I wanted to talk about. Look at this hood. My client had the hood repainted, and only the center part of the hood was repainted and the rest was blended in. They told him they wet sanded it and they cut and they polished his hood. It doesn't look like it. Looks like maybe they forgot that part. Maybe they forgot the polishing part. I don't know what happened, but maybe they took a day off that day. Who knows? But this side was cut, and I was just kind of showing him some things that I saw on that side. But that side, I cut it. I wasn't too happy with it, but it was definitely an improvement from this side. So I actually went ahead and redid the hood again, different compound, different pad, and the results were much better. And here we are. We're starting the cutting process on this M5. I wanted to use a Rupes blue pad, and I actually ended up using 3D 500 extra cut on the hood. And for the rest of the car, I think I used 3D1 with the blue pad, and then I also used 3D1 with the finishing pad. So let's check this out and keep it going. right, here we go. We're getting ready to pull out Kenzo. It's a base and top layer system, so it's a 2-layer system. 10H 5-year coating infused with graphene. Getting ready to apply the sauce, and I gotta apologize again because your boy forgot to record himself using the final polish and an orange pad, completing this 2-step process. So I do apologize for that. I don't really know what happened, but we're gonna get it together, guys, and I promise you the next video will be much better. But I had a blast getting this car done. Right here I'm leveling out the coating, and this car turnaround to me was pretty good. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give me some recommendations, like and subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out, guys.